Hi, welcome back to BATUK Storytime. Today I'm going to be reading Awkward Aardvark by Mwalimu and Adrienne Kennaway. Just for those who are not sure what an aardvark looks like, there he is. And it's Aardvark was asleep in his favourite tree. The tree was old and dry, but it had a smooth branch where Aardvark would lie and rest his long nose. And you can see him under the stars and with a big whole moon. And what a nose! His snoring was so loud that it kept Mongoose and all the other animals awake night after night. Went Aardvark's nose. How annoying, Mongoose yawned. I wish you would keep quiet or go somewhere else. There's the noisy Aardvark, and just below you can see the Mongoose. Aardvark only stopped snoring when the sun came up. Then he clambered to the ground and set off to hunt for tasty grubs and crunchy beetles. While Aardvark was hunting for breakfast, Mongoose had an idea. I will just have to annoy him more than he annoys me, he decided. Beautiful sunset, and there's Mongoose having his idea. First, Mongoose had a meeting with the monkeys. Oh, the monkeys are just having a drink at the river. Next, he went to see Lion. Then he talked to Rhinoceros. Wonder what he's planning. That night, as usual, Aardvark climbed up to his branch in the tree, and very soon he was snoring. Mongoose called into the darkness. The monkeys came, and the tree shook as they chattered and screeched in the branches. Aardvark woke up. Stop making that noise, he shouted. But he soon went back to sleep and snored even more loudly than before. Oh, I better show you the monkeys swinging around in the tree. Then Mongoose called out again. There was a low rumbling growl as Lion came padding to the tree where Aardvark was snoring. Stretching his legs and reaching high, Lion scratched the bark with his strong claws. Aardvark woke up again. Stop it, go away, he shouted. But soon he was snoring again, louder than ever. Yes, Lion scratching at the tree. Aardvark with his eyes half open. Now Mongoose was very angry. He was so angry that his fur bristled. He sent out another call. The ground trembled as Rhinoceros came puffing to the tree. Bump! Aardvark nearly fell off the branch when a rhinoceros pushed his fat bottom against the trunk. Go away, leave me alone, cried Aardvark. But still he did not stay awake for long. We need help, puffed Rhinoceros. I'll tell you what we'll do. I didn't show you the rhinoceros rubbing his bottom on the tree, and Aardvark nearly falling out. Soon there came a munching sound from the roots of the trees. Aardvark just kept on snoring. Suddenly there was a loud snap and a crack. Snap went the roots, crack went the tree, and it toppled over. Aardvark bounced to the ground. Oh dear me, look at that. The whole tree is falling down. He picked himself up and glared at the other animals. Who did that? Who pushed my tree over? He demanded. Not me, said the lion. Not me, said Rhinoceros. Not us, said the monkeys. Aardvark snorted at Mongoose. It was you. Not me, said Mongoose. They did it, and he pointed at the broken roots. It's all the animals walking away from Aardvark. Aardvark saw that the roots of the tree had been eaten away by hundreds of termites. I'm going to gobble you up, he threatened. He stuck out his long tongue and ate some of the termites. Yum, yum, he licked his lips. I think I'll eat you all. The termites hurried away with Aardvark following and eating as many as he could reach with his tongue. There's a lot of termites there for Aardvark to eat. In the morning, the termites hid in the castles of sand and mud, which they had built to protect themselves, but at night they still came out to eat the trees. Can you see all the termite hills? From that time to this, Aardvark has slept during the day and eaten termites at night, and Mongoose and the other animals sleep peacefully because they are no longer disturbed by awkward Aardvark's awful snoring. Oh, I'm glad we had a happy ending. I was a bit worried when the tree got knocked over. But that is the end of our story about awkward Aardvark. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you're still washing your hands and keeping your distances. Keep safe at home. Take care. Bye.